Good morning, children. We have studied about a new lesson on us, modern Europe. In our previous lesson, we had studied about medieval Europe. Now we have studied about modern Europe. What is the meaning of the word modern Europe, or what is meant by modern Europe that we have to study? So many new thinking happened during the modern period. So first of all, we have to study about Renaissance. The word Renaissance came from an English word known as Renaissance, which means rebirth. Rebirth is the meaning of this word. Rebirth. Then Latin and Greek literature. That is during this period, the ancient Latin, Greek and Italian literature began developing. Through the reading of these books, what happened? Through the reading of these books, people began to think about so many new things. That is rebirth. And this came to an end, or this ended the Dark Age. This is known as the Dark Age. This is known by what name? Dark Age. Dark Age. This is known as Dark Age. That means during the time of medieval period, people had no thinking power. People had no thinking power. During the medieval period, people had no thinking power. They had no thinking power. People were deprived of everything in the land of Europe. Kings and Roman Catholic Church decided everything during that time. Kings and Roman Catholic Church decided everything. There was no thinking power for the people. It was a dark age. Renaissance came to an end, or Renaissance ended the dark age or dark period. It ended the dark age or the dark period. What were the reasons of Renaissance? Then we have to study the reasons. Reasons. What are the reasons of Renaissance? Or how Renaissance happened? Then what happened? Some thinkers were in Europe. Thinkers. During the medieval period, so many thinkers were there in the land of Europe. Thinkers began to question the authority of Roman Catholic Church. Thinkers questioned, or thinkers began to question the authority of Roman Catholic Church. When thinkers means those people who are thinking. Thinkers began to question the authority of Roman Catholic Church. When they began to question the authority of Roman Catholic Church, Renaissance began to develop. In 1453 period, during 1453 period, Constantinople was by Ottoman Turks. Constantinople was attacked and conquered by Ottoman Turks. Constantinople was the major sea route through which Europeans were moving from Europe to Asia and from Asia to Europe. Then Ottoman Turks closed this route, Ottoman Turks. So it became an urgent necessity for the Europeans to find out a new sea route from Europe to Asia. As a result of that, what happened? European people began to think of a new market and a new sea route. Then, during 1455 period, Gutenberg during 1455 period, John Gutenberg, during this period, John Gutenberg invented printing press in the land of Europe. Printing press. Before John Gutenberg, no one or nobody was able to understand about printing press. No printing was there. Only handwritten documents were there. No printing press was there. Everything was written with the hand only. But the invention of printing press by John Gutenberg suddenly changed the face of European countries. It suddenly or it clearly changed the face of European countries. Invention of printing press by John Gutenberg changed the face of European countries. Now, because of printing press, so many books from different parts of the world began to be translated into the other languages. People began to read by getting the printing books. So, printing also encouraged Renaissance, kings and popes. Kings. Kings and popes. What are the kings? Raja, Pope means Marpapa. Marpapa is the spiritual head of Catholics in the world. Spiritual. Atmiya Nega. And Pope is the political head of Vatican City. There is speciality of Pope. So, during this time, Pope and kings began to encourage the thinkers to think rationally. Rational thinking. Pope and kings began to encourage the people to think. That thinking also leads to one Renaissance. Geography discoveries. Geographical discoveries. What is the meaning? Geographical discoveries means during this time, during the modern period, what happened? During the modern period, kings encouraged some sailors. Who are the sailors? Who are traveling through the sea water or ocean water is known as sailors. Kings began to encourage the people to travel through the sea in order to find out unknown places in the world. So, travelers or voyagers who what? Who are voyagers? Those who are traveling to the seas known as voyagers. Voyagers travel from one side of the world to another side of the world. They found out unknown seas in the world. They found out unknown oceans in the world. Unknown rivers they found out. Unknown continents they found out. Unknown peninsulas they found out. Unknown islands they found out. As a result of this one, what happened? As a result of this one, Renaissance happened or took place. Then, what are the features? What are the features of, what are the specialities of which one? Renaissance. The thinking of the people changed. Thinking of the people began to change. Thinking. What is the meaning of this one? Before Renaissance, all the thinkers gave importance to which one? All the thinkers gave importance only to religious matters. They were writing about religious matters. They were speaking about religious matters. They were thinking of religious matters. But during the time of Renaissance, what happened? During the Renaissance period, people began to think and write about humanism, about people and their problems. Writers of Renaissance period began to write. They began to write about the problems of the people during the Renaissance period. They began to write about the problems of the people. Humanism began to develop during this time. Humanism as a part of art began to develop during this time. They began to write about the problems of the people. They began to write about the poverty, unemployment of the people. They began to write. English. During this time, what happened? English, Italian and German works. English, Italian and German works began to develop during this time. English. So many English books were there, which were written by greatest English writers. And Italian books were there. They were written by Italian writers. German writers were there. The books written by German writers, Italian writers and English writers became quite popular during this particular time. Economic and social change. During this time, what happened? So many economic. During this particular time, so many economic and social changes happened in the land of Europe. Before Renaissance, agriculture was the main occupation of the people. Before Renaissance, agriculture was the main, agriculture was the only occupation of the people before Renaissance. But during Renaissance period, industries, trade, commerce began to develop. And the social life of the people also began to change. Interest in culture. Interest in culture. Interesting culture. During this period, what happened? People began to show interest in culture. Different cultures are there in different parts of the world. What is culture? That we have to think. Culture is a way of life or a style of life. I have my own way of life. You people do have your own way of life. Way of life. Different way of life or different style of life is there. Different people may have different style of life. But European thinkers began to show interest in different cultures of the world. As a result of this one, what happened? Culture began to develop in European continent. German scholars tweeted. German scholars do this. What happened? During this time, so many German scholars began to migrate to the land of Italy. German scholars. German scholars were so genius that they began to teach so many things to the Italian people, so that in the land of Italy, for the first time, Renaissance started. See, dear children, see, we will study the topic modern Europe. The topic modern Europe we are reading. This is a new lesson, children. This is the name of a new lesson. Last day we studied about which one? Medieval period. What were the specialities of medieval period that we had studied earlier? What were the specialities of medieval period we studied? How many specialities were there for the medieval period that we had studied earlier? Specialities of medieval period we studied. Now we are studying about modern Europe. What is speciality of modern Europe that we are studying? First we have to study about Renaissance. From where did the word come? That we have to think. From which origin the word Renaissance did come? That we have to think. The word Renaissance came from an English word known as Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth. Some of you may be believing in rebirth. Some of you may not be believing in rebirth. That is the reality, rebirth. The people are thinking that after this birth, we will die. I and you people will die, no doubt. Because of so many diseases, we may die. Otherwise, some people may kill us. Or at the very old age, we may die. So many reasons are there for our death. But maybe people are believing the rebirth is there. What is rebirth? Ancient Latin, Italian and Greek literature, people began to read. As a result of that reading, as a result or as a consequence of that reading, what happened? As a result or as a consequence of that reading, people began to think differently from the olden period. That is Renaissance. Renaissance brought out change to the dark age. Renaissance brought out a change to the dark age. People began to think rationally. They began to understand what is good and bad. Then what were the reasons of Renaissance? How many reasons were there for the Renaissance? The important reasons of Renaissance that we are studying. reasons. Karana. First one, thinkers. The European thinkers were very powerful thinkers. European thinkers. European thinkers began to question the authority of Roman Catholic Church. In that way, rise and stand. During 1453 period, Ottoman Turks attacked and conquered the city of Constantinople. Ottoman Turks attacked and conquered the city of Constantinople. As a result of that, what happened? Constantinople was a center of European trade during that time. So, Ottoman Turks stopped their route. It became necessity. It became a necessity for the European people to find out a new sea route from Europe to Asia. During 1455 period, John Gutenberg found out or invented printing press. Then what happened as a result of printing? What happened? As a result of printing, people began to read other books which were written in other languages through translation. Kings and popes began to encourage the thinkers to think radically. Then, during this time, what happened? During this particular time, geographical discoveries happened. What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of geographical discoveries that we should think completely or correctly? What is discovery we should know? What is invention also that we should know? Discovery. Discovery means finding an object that has been existing on this earth. Discovery. But people don't know about that. For example, Vasco da Gama discovered a new sea route from Europe to Asia. He discovered. New sea route has been there. He found out. He did not make a new sea route. Sea route was there. Then, what is that? Amerigo Vespucci discovered American continent. That is one specialty. American continent was there, or American continent has been there, but he found out American continent, discovered. But invention is different. Invention means finding an object which is not at all known to the people of the world. For example, Thomas Alva Edison invented electric bulb. This bulb. Before the invention of electric bulb by Thomas Alva Edison, people were quite unaware of electric bulb. It was a new thing which Edison brought before the people. Marconi invented radio. It was the scientist Marconi who invented radio. Before Marconi, people were unaware of radio. They don't know what is the meaning of radio. They found out radio. Invention. So, inventions and discoveries are different. Then, during this time, European kings, during this particular time, European kings began to encourage some people to find out new places on the surface of the earth. During those days, mechanic boats were not there. All the boats were moving with the help of wind guiding. So, voyages were voyages. What is the meaning of voyages? What is the meaning of voyages? Voyages are those people who are traveling through the sea or ocean to find out unknown places in the world. Voyages. Then what happened? So many voyages traveled from one side of the earth to another side of the earth. They found out unknown islands in the world. They found out unknown peninsulas in the world. They found out unknown oceans, rivers in the world. They found out unknown sea route from one side of the sea to another side of the sea. This also began to encourage Renaissance. What are the features of Renaissance? During the time of Renaissance, what happened? During the time or during the days of Renaissance, what happened? The thinking style of the people began to change. Before Renaissance, people were thinking only of religious matters before Renaissance. Before Renaissance period, people were thinking only about religious matters. They were not thinking other things. Only religious matters they were thinking. They were thinking about religious matters. They were writing about religious matters. They were singing about religious matters. But during the Renaissance period, people began to change their thinking pattern or thinking style. They began to they began to write about the problems of the common people or humanism began to develop. Then English, Italian and German books became popular throughout the land of Europe. German, Italian and English books. So many novels, dramas, poems, stories, etc. were written in these languages. These books became so popular in the land of Europe. By reading those books, people began to think about new and new ideas. Then, economic and social life of the people began to change. Economic. What is that? Before Renaissance period, what was that? Only agriculture was the only occupation of the Europeans, agriculture, Christian. Everything was connected with agriculture. But during the Renaissance period, what happened? People began to engage in industrial field. People began to engage in trade and commercial field. Economic life of the Europeans began to change. Economic life of the European people began to change. And social life for the people in the society began to change. Then culture. Culture means a way of life or a style of life is known as culture. What is that? During the Renaissance period, European people mainly began to show interest in the culture of other countries. German scholars to Italy. What is that? German scholars of Renaissance period were great thinkers. They moved from Germany to Italy, and from German thinkers, Italian people began to understand so many things. As a result of these things, what happened? Renaissance started in the land of Italy for the first time in the history of human race. Dear children, you observe this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.